Kelvin Taylor, I said, when you are a one way BD, my as I say, what's your brooch? The winning said a system in the working. Oh, yeah, BB Kakra Brofon, San no you. Would you have a restaurant when you example, McDonald's? 6 months to be almost a son of anymore. And he, Kelvin, what's your brooch any day? Which your system on a Sunday city? I'm say, go for a break, Kelvin Taylor didn't know my NDC bar power. Me mom, dear, challenge it. And Yanni didn't know my NDC bar power. The Onyamia canon in a bem. Yenina yedo NDC party no. Yedo ye papa mahama. Enti Kelvin, wo ye bibia no wato bo because one hwe ya wonsam kan ye mu no. Wo kro ya na ese na mo so ma NDC ba power. But one hwe ye so a wonsam ni bi so honom so a. Ebema ye betimi aye den. Asa ma NDC akọ position. Enti wa ye bia ye ato bo. Said ye mede McDonald's ye example ma on. They say change your ways no. Because ya ye one word because amanfo wo kodru Ghana hwe de we ankofo si pamu free kronim me kwa na ye me ngompo ti Kelvin change your ways no na wo ye me ho mema bebre so a ye kogya wo me hu sa wo ka say kumase mani mu be ma bia ni honom ye yina na o say tutu abebi o free honom at the second wo na ye be ma wo honom ti Kelvin me papa wo wuo me papa wo wuo Eric abebi o me papa me boni dia me mami me munu so onumpo Kelvin no so won fa so chen because the way I was kasa no I feel the abros.
I'm beginning to regret ever campaigning and voting for the NDC. Honestly, I'm beginning to regret big time. The NDC, is it becoming or has become unattractive? It's like the politicians are all liars. They are misleaders. They mislead us to get their own parochial interests. It's all about them and no one else. For Mr. President Mahama to be handling things the way he's handling things, honestly, I'm highly disappointed. Extremely disappointed in the NDC. Most especially President Mahama. With all the experiences. If a boy or a young man, pardon my language, if a young man who can be his son, Ibrahim Traore, is doing what he's doing in Burkina Faso, and our president is here giving us excuses, I wonder if we truly believed in the lies again and voted for this. Because the first month of the NDC in power, I got a revelation and I said that the NDC party or government should be careful. There could be a military takeover just within the first month, highly the second month. That's the revelation I got. And I think I've repeated this over and over on all my videos. So, Mr. President, if you are not utilizing your experience, because from my background checks, you've been an assemblyman before, a minister, deputy minister, an MP, deputy minister, a minister, vice president, president, and back to president again. And Mr. President, if you cannot utilize these experiences, I'm highly disappointed. Highly, highly, highly disappointed. The oral, does it mean you fooled Ghanaians, you people fooled Ghanaians? The Galamsey, were you just playing tricks on the minds of Ghanaians? Oh, wow. And then this issue of the Igbo king, you've not mentioned anything concerning it, only for you to make it look like we the Ghanaians who are fighting for the land are not reasonable. Really, the same people who voted for you, believing in your words, If you check that video I'm talking about, I said this shouldn't be a business as usual. You should leave a legacy because posterity has judged you. And this time, posterity is going to judge you again, and it will be terrible because it will come with karma. We thought you were going to do something different this time. You have nothing to lose. A second time in parliament as a president, you have nothing to lose. You leave a legacy, something we all will be proud of. Something you will go when you leave power. You sit, look back, and be proud of yourself. And this is what you are giving us. This is what you are delivering. And then the worst side of it all is our Attorney General. Oh, I don't know whether I should call it giving us lectures. He come to talk to us, making all those press conferences as though we are the court to judge somebody. He said, we are going to see Rambo in the jungle. Later, did you know Rambo is even in bed sleeping? So who is going to the jungle? A sick Rambo, or which of the Rambos? So disappointing. Very highly disappointing. I thought you were coming with something different. So the revelation I got about you, God believed in you. Like for you, I even suggested that National Day of Prayers and Thanksgiving Day is nonsense. If possible, call these churches, send letters to these churches. They should all pick up one project in a village, in our rural areas. They should just build one school to help erase school under trees. It's like all fell on a deaf ear. But Mr. President, please be careful. Live with dignity. Live with honor. Let power not consume you. Because we thought you've learned a lot. After sitting back for 8 years, and this is how you are coming to rule, then this experience is terrible. If this is experience, then this is not, and this is nothing to write home about. You are beginning to lose interest. Galamsey is still ongoing, and all we get are excuses. Because when it comes to importing water, you people can import water. We can drink the poison and die. Even when we are sick, our hospitals are nothing to write home about. And who wants to even be sick? We all want to live a healthy life. Mr. President, sit up and fix things. This is a no. You can fix things. You still have the opportunity. You still have the chance to fix things. I have said within 2 years of your government, if you are not careful, it's just a revelation I got. If you are not careful, there could be a coup d'etat. There could be a military takeover. And this shouldn't happen in your time. You deserve to go home with honor. Not the way things are looking. Please. I have supported NDC all my life, and this time I'm beginning to regret it. Greetings, fellow Ghanaians. Kindly help push this video.
Yeah, mama, no more about time. Na ya see a demo mark today. Na mompe. Na mo pesa mo do mo koboda. Ya see be tuya 5,000, 10,000, 15,000. Aban papa aba, suku papa aba. Ade na musu. Mu wura fi Christian Awini. Mo nkwaji sika won ho e. Ya wo kira mo ba bi amontoma banko no. Christian Awini, mo nkwaji sika won ho. Ai. Minim sasabi enipa sa nipa wanko suku. Enipa wono wanko suku etwere nwoma ma obi koto. Nipa asabi wantena classroom da. No so wa twere nwoma na nipa di akire kopa nwoma na to. Christian Awini. no one see classroom da ka kire mo say free secondary school eba ma asabi enwisia ni nyanka no mu bia na o mawofu ni sika na o mo daache esei no aban dumfo bi ba ye nhyehyɛ ya ma sa nkora ne daache ba mu no enye no sa nipa wei etimi ka kire mo ba bia mo ntoma ba enko ene yesi mu tua 5000 10 monko na Christian Awini ma musika why Ghana movie actor monko no ma musika ai kuma wood actor monko jisika why na monfa nkotua ya titi mo ono ya titi we samtwira ni we sabi me maame kro no kwotena dwuma ton momone na appearance ne na ho fasuo kura ehye nkuna chen we saa oba we TV so no oye dede kire mo modi ya kire Captain Smart no mu ye dede kire mo twini Jonas no ohene babo ama Kelvin Taylor no eye dede amutie mo ho awieye awurade efi na ekro mehwe me nyame som ye sa nipa bia wode ne ho tu nyame so bia nyankopon nye hwamodie nyankopon akufu ado nyankopon wote ase wo nai nyame ne ba wo miya nyankopon mese mo nai mu ye nyame a mo ni kro twa wisia egusu 24/7 ehwe nipa mo wiye ye na aba no aban papa ebeba ama suku papa aba ene mo hu ne NDC fo de ayemo mo hu no kwan o modemo na mu yes mohunu kwan wenu nti ena na proprietors ni school headmistress ni headmaster for esu we sa kro no we ya no mo pa ba time for abo mo nti we mu nti eno ma sei ena mo de akufu ado to tankruwem ene omo da yeso abem omo da yeso abem ene na yemfa nimo ya maamenom yemfa nimo kwan na ka kire mu se John Mahama enim kwan a yefa so buman hwan ene ka kire mu se John Mahama enim kwan a yefa so buman education hia John Mahama se wo bi be ko school be ba be ye krachini awuraba ehia John Mahama eye ne dadwene hwan ene ka kire mu 2012 besi 2016 na muni krom ha o mo manu mu ana awie ko teacher training nursing training awie school tifia ne yemfa o madwuma no o madane ade so amosa to aduane mu o mudie no na muni krom ha o ka se numpo de ne beko na ban beko opposition emfa no nko na muni ha se sansem twrofo hihye nsem twrofo abo ka kire wo mo kokuam hihye wo mo bo sha akese e na o mu tumfu turogumani aban ono ba ye behwe mo ma ahokire biremu mode ne to tankruwam ene ma wiye yenie abatan Ghana abatan ma wiye yenie ni Ghana adisuafo asabi anesefo ne teacherfo amokotena classroom sua ade sabi mo ankoton momone tena hoti atrosem ne na adasem ene wo homo so ma wiye nyame uye nyansafo Yankopon uye nyansafo na uye nimdifo so wangu nana adodanko akufu ado ene Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bomia wangu omani mu ase dabi wama nipa de na ni ehunu ne mfonso ne ni mistake ya waye uye nyansafo Yankopon ko Christian Awini ho ono na nese akufu ado free secondary school eye tantan proye Munkoji sikankan kire ne say John Mahama de papa aba na ne mutua 5000 6000 7000 ne 10000 oma musika metua oma musika onko ontu kwan kro imu monko kuma wood atta monkoji sika ono Christian Awini nyame na atua ye nyina ye ka Nyankopon e na atua ye ne ye maamenom ne ye nananom ne ye mma ye so ka ye tikro imu nyame na atua ye ka aban papa aba enemusu oba wa Ashanti region yede na akotu sirim o Cape Coast yede na ba Ashanti region o kode musu mane mranko da bia mwai mane mranko enne headmaster for ne mistress for koko aso ma me no monte na mo betia because MPP mam ye mo meye sa adwuma ne biem aha adwuma asabi adwuma sineni yakatua ye ma MPP aban emeye biem dabi timukoko no de munguso ente munyi binu mu 30000 ai niye ne ba yede na kotu sirem a opet border amano munyi ni sika e kina wokoto aba obadwene hu mienu na wasua abato se ne yesitie